Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to go for a quick ride because the weather sucks in Belgium last 2 weeks. I just started to ride and it's already raining. Sick of this Belgian weather, god damn it. But hey, we're on the bike. It won't rain forever, I hope so. Let's just go with it.
A few moments later.
God damn it, this weather, hate it so much. Fucking rain, it's almost May. Let's start with nice weather. Just some nice weather. God damn it.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's clearing up at the moment. So maybe we will get a little bit drier. And my mood will get a little bit better, but I'm not sure of that because I'm a little hungover from last night. The only thing I don't like about this bike, and it's just pure my OCC, is if it rains or you wash the bike, there is still a little bit water in that space, and I don't like it. You don't like it. I hope you can see it. There's water inside there. But that's all. That's all. That's all. Hooray! I think that guy was pretty drunk, but hey, it's a Sunday. Let's have some drinks.